Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time tuning in, thanks for clicking. If you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos again. My name is Olajumoke, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to Promix a 7 days whitening face cream that treats acne, clear pimples, fade off sunburn. So stay tuned, watch from start to finish. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please do click on the subscribe button below, turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss any video I drop on this channel. Without further say or do, let's get right into the video. We're going to be using Quick Clear face cream. So we're going to be using this apple vet. So this is what it looks like outside the pack. So we're going to be using 3 Beta cream also. So this is what it looks like outside the pack. I'm going to be using half of this. And I'm going to be using the egg yolk skin perfector. I hope you can see it. So I'm going to be needing about half tablespoon of this oil. I'm going to mix it together. So guys, this is how to pro-mix a 7 days whitening face cream, and I hope this video is helpful. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, share this video, leave a comment below most importantly, and also click on the subscribe button below, turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss any video I drop on this channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video.